89.5 Subic Bay Radio. When I Look to the Sky, music coming from the band Train. All right, that song brought to you this time by Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care. Ulticare Medical Center. Ulticare Medical Center. Now open. Services offered. 24-hour emergency care services. Outpatient department. Dental clinic. Pharmacy. Clinical laboratory. Center for radiologic imaging. Center for cardiac care. Pulmonary unit. Center for wellness and health. Hemodialysis. HMO concierge. Ambulatory surgery clinic. And nursing services. Ulticare Medical Center. For more information, please call 047-602-6200-209. Visit and like our official Facebook page. We are located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For emergencies, you may call 0993-219-8273. Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. All right. And speaking of back, the free pizza payday sale promo is back. All right. A little later, we will be doing that. The radio contest ulit. Nagbabalik. It's back. The another round of payday sale radio contest, and which will run from August 26th to the 30th. All right. Sa mga mananalo, ang claiming is on the 31st, okay? So same promo mechanics. We will be doing the same thing, all right? Plus this time, may optional na 99 pesos additional for VIP card if you want to avail of the VIP card. And what are the perks of the VIP card? Well, up to 20% discount on dine-in, take-out, and delivery. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng promo. Meron ka ng discount. Parang naka-promo na rin lagi yan whenever you have the VIP card when you purchase. Plus, in addition, free birthday pizza during your birthday month. Okay? So again, the pizza, I mean the payday special pizza, 2 special flavors. All right? Fused in one. Okay? In one 12 inches pizza for only 299 pesos. Yan. 2 flavors ng 12 inches family size pizza at Sam's Pizza, which will be available at the Magsaysay branch, Barreto branch, and Castillejos. We will be doing the radio contest a little later. For the meantime, a couple of announcements here. All right, Public Health and Safety Department, PHSD, invites all stakeholders to attend the public hearing for the amendment of the regulatory group's procedure on the imposition of fines and penalties. This will be on September 3, 2024. All right? September 3, 2024, 1 p.m. at the Function Hall A, Exhibition and Convention Center, Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. And September 3 falls on a Tuesday. Okay? So, Tuesday today, no? It's gonna be next Tuesday. Ayan. Okay? So, for inquiries, you may call the Public Health and Safety Department, landline number 2524502. Okay? Yeah. All right. And also, aside from that, the bago yun, syempre, September 3 yun, eto muna, August 29, the TB, Tuberculosis in the Workplace Summit will be happening at the Harbor Point Mall on August 29, this coming Thursday, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. You're all invited at the Harbor Point Ayala Mall. This coming Thursday, August 29, huh? Okay? So, you're all invited to join. Lalong-lalo na yung mga stakeholders dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. Everybody working here. SBMA employees from the different companies. You guys may join, okay? August 29, 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the Ayala Mall, Harbor Point. TB in the workplace, tuberculosis in the workplace. An invitation coming from Philippine College of Occupational Medicine, Olongapo City chapter. Also along with Olongapo City Medical Society, of course. And the SBMA, all right? And also our partner is Ayala Mall, Harbor Point for this. Okay? For increase, you may call or text 0917-886-7121. Dr. Eve Natividad of the PCOM. She is the Olongapo Chapter President of Philippine College of Occupational Medicine. Okay? And more health concerns announcement for you guys. As you guys all know, the DOH is announcing to everybody, nagbibigay ng warning na tayo'y mag-ingat as Mpox is spreading in the country. May yesterday, the last time I heard on the news, kagabi may 2 new infections na naman silang naitala, no? Ang Mpox. Well, madali lang naman iwasan ng Mpox. It's gotta be transmitted through human interface. Hindi siya kagaya ng COVID na pag nahingahan ka lang or nabahingan or lumulutang sa hangin, nalanghap mo yung hangin na may dalang virus, mahahawa ka na. Mpox, kailangan meron talagang human contact. Magkakamay, alright, magyayakapan, yan, makukuha mo sa ganon. Okay? So, mas madaling iwasan compared to the COVID-19 virus, ano? Alright? So, please be extra careful sa mga magkakaibigan, magkakamag-anak, magkakatropa. Iwasan na muna sigurong magkamayan, ano na lang. Huwag na rin mag-fist bump. Paano kung nasa fist? Hindi mo napansin, may blister or may, di ba, yung signs na nandoon sa, sa fist, di ba? Hindi natin masabi. So, iwas na lang. Iwas contact muna. Huwag na muna magyakapan. The best, kung gusto niyo talaga na may, salute na lang. Sumaludo kayo. Salute each other. Whenever you see each other or kung magpapaalam na, di ba? Salute na lang kaysa kaysa magkakamay kayo, mahirap na, di ba? Okay? So, what are the other signs and symptoms ng Mpox? Madaling naman, may lagnat. Ayan. Parang trangkaso rin. Masakit ang kasukasuan. Ayan. Abdominal pain. And what else? Sore throat. Ayan. Masakit na lalamunan. Symptoms include pa ano ba to? Ang liit eh. Hindi ko mabasa. Okay. Let me open the chart for you guys para sigurado, no? Okay. Ayan. Ayaw lumabas eh. Ba't ayaw lumabas? Okay. Minsan ganyan yung messenger, no? Meron kang messages na na-open mo na on your cellphone. Pero pag binuksan mo sa computer, wala. Hindi lumalabas sa computer. Ayan. So, eto na lang. Magbukas na lang tayo ng FB page. Ayan. So, skin rash or mucosal lesions accompanied by fever. Alright? Yung mga rashes na yan, yung mga may mga lesions, yung parang may tubig, makati, di ba? Tapos may kasamang fever. Swollen lymph nodes and sore throat. Ayan. Muscle aches and back pain. Ayan, parang sa trangkaso. Headaches and low energy, lobat. Feeling lobat lagi. No? Pa-check ka na kung meron kanya mga symptoms na yan, ha? Alright, so those are the signs and symptoms of Mpox. Okay? So that's the advisory, latest news and update for you guys for this segment of the Morning Brew Show. And right about now, here's a couple of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central. Check out the 3-day sale that will be happening August 30, 31, and September 1. Up to 50% off, 10% off, and additional 10% off by using your Prestige card, SM Advantage card. Okay? So, Prestige Friday, August 30, the whole day. All right? Smack Saturday and Sunday, August 31 and September 1, 3 to 7 p.m. Okay? This is all during the 3-day sale, of course. All right? So, print ads. See print ads and posters for more details. Okay? Also, they're gonna be having the Granny's Day. Ayan, special day para sa mga grannies. Pero, it's more than just one day of celebration. Actually, ano siya, September 7 and 8 ang celebration at all SM malls. Okay? So, yayain nyo na sila Lolo at Lola. Alright? To celebrate Granny's Day. Our beloved Lolo and Lola on Grandparents' Day celebrate the cherished bonds between generations. September 1 to 8 actually at SM malls as they honor the wisdom. We honor the wisdom, love, and warmth of our grandparents brings to our lives. Okay? SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown have some exciting events lined up to make the celebration special. Granny's Bazaar, September 1 to 8. Groovy Grannies, September 7, 2 p.m. Granny Twinning, yan, September 8, 11 a.m. And Grand Thanksgiving Mass, September 8, 9 a.m. Ayan. Yung twinning, ano yun, magsusot kayo ni, either ni grandpa or ni grandma ng parehong damit. Ayan, kaya twinning. Magti-twinning kayo. Kailangan terno kayo ng suot. Tapos, you will perform a dance perhaps or a song. Dalawa kayo. Okay? And yeah, I love the Groovy Grannies. Wow, groovy sila granny. September 7 to 8 yan. Okay? And next up, we have this invite coming from Uniqlo. All right? Do check out the Cows and Warhol. All right? Andy Warhol, that is. Model ng ano to eh, ng Uniqlo si Andy Warhol eh. Out now in Uniqlo, SM City Olongapo Central. All right, the UT collection. Check out the full lineup of this momentous collection, from t-shirts to sweats to outerwear and so much more. Get to experience a collection from two of the most creative minds of our time. Shop the COS and Warhol UT in all SM stores and online then, of course. Okay, you can shop online. So visit the SM store for this, all right, or the SM super malls, okay? And Auntie Anne's happy hour, all right? Buy one pretzel and get one free, okay? This is up until August 29. Ayan, you only have a couple more days to go. Tuesdays and Thursdays, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., okay? So merong Auntie Anne's for both SM Downtown and SM Central, parehong meron, okay? All right. And do check out the SM Olongapo Downtown Fashion Fest from August 23 to September 8. It's at the SM store, of course. All right. And for those who loves jewelries, merong jewelry sale up to 50% off on selected fashion jewelry, which will last until September 1 at the SM store, of course, your everyday store. So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check it out. Visit the malls today. All right. And time for me to press play on the next requested song. Music coming from the band Striper. This is called All of Me. 895 Subic Bay Radio.